Hey everybody, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover. And today we have box three from the exchange with Amber from Amber's Fostering Crochet. And just as a reminder, Amber and I were doing an exchange of items that we purchased for each other from the dollar stores to get an idea of the different kinds of products that the different dollar stores have. We started this last summer and we didn't actually get the exchange done until right now. So let's see what's in this week's box. So this is box 3 out of 4. So we're halfway done. And so far we've gotten some cute things. I have loved everything that Amber found at her dollar store. And a lot of them were things that I did not see at mine. And that was the whole premise, was I've got stuff that she never has seen and she's got stuff that I have never seen. So let's see where we are. Of course, hers is much more creative than mine. And of course, they're in the beautiful knit crate boxes. Great way to reuse these boxes. You know how much I love the boxes. So let's open it and see. And she always has this cute note inside where mine did not. All right. It says, oh my gosh, November is here and still I haven't sent your Christmas in July box. Yeah, we were doing this last July. But bingo starts and it's like a bell ringing every time you call a number. It is an amazing time as mother leaves the hospital, but now's the time for appointments and rolls, so the list starts to grow. And that was the thing. Just about when we were starting to do this last year, her mama got sick, and she was very sick for a long time. And of course, family's the most important thing, no matter what else we think that we have planned, or no matter what else we think is more important. That's the most important thing. So she had her hands full, and still does have her hands full with stuff going on with her mama and her kids. I keep my worries away by what seems like magic, and we are cutting ties with all the nonsense and worries as we focus on the important stuff. Absolutely. Do you know what the important stuff is? Family and friends. That's the important stuff, 100%. And I am thankful and I feel blessed to count you as one of my friends, Miss Amber. Okay, let's see what cool things you picked out for us this time. She has picked out some cool things. All right, what is this? I don't have any idea. I don't have any idea. Oh, I think I know. I think this. Oh, look, cat hair. I love it. I love it. We are cat people. There we go. I can fix that. Little drop of glue, no problem. It's my scepter. Da-da-da. It is my scepter. It's a pin. It's a ballpoint pen. The lid off. There we go. It's a pen. So cute. I can fix that, no problemo. Teeny tiny little touch of glue on there, and that is good as new. Perfect. So pretty. I like that. Okay. And some scissors. Pointed tip. Purple. The fun thing is, those of us who are crafty, we always need scissors, and I like this style. It looks like it's got the big handle so we can get our hands in there, but it's nice to have. I like to have a pair of scissors in every one of my project bags, so this is wonderful. Thank you. And here's our snack. She always gives me a snack every time. Magical ice cream gummies. Our precious and simple 4-year-old Sophie dreams of magical pandas, endless ice cream cones, and candy castles. When she is not dreaming, Sophie is busy being fierce, adventurous, and lovable. With that spirit, Sophie willed us to launch Sophia's and Gumdrops. As head of R&D, Sophie is the most dedicated sampler any confectioner could have. That is so cute. Okay, so we've got ice cream cone shaped gummies, but they aren't those clear gummies. They aren't clear like a lot of those gummies are. Let's see if I can get one right here. There you go. You can see that one looks like an actual ice cream cone. These look good. Sophie Pops and Gumdrops. They're blue fruit punch flavored. Okay, so this one is fruit punch flavored. And the pink one right there, the pink one is strawberry flavored. And the green one is lime. I love lime. I love lime. So I'm excited about that one. Very, very good. Sounds fabulous. And even though we've been hanging on these for quite some time, they are not expired. So guess who's going to be snacking on these? Absolutely. Yes, not a problem at all. Oh, a little bell. Ring for a smile. Cute. Very cute. Very, very cute. Mini bell. Oh, it's a keychain. It's a keychain. This is so funny. I don't know what it was. I was literally sitting here this morning wishing I had a keychain for something that I wanted to put on a keychain. It's when I was doing something here at the store. I will remember, and now I have a keychain. That is perfect. Perfect. Ah. Laser cut craft words. Amazing. That's cool. That would make a neat keychain too, wouldn't it? Oh my gosh, there's 3 of them in here. There's 3 of them in here. That's neat. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna find something cool to do with that. And a little journal, because you can't have enough notebooks. That's the other thing that I always have in my craft bags. Not necessarily, this is a nice one. I like lots of pages. I like to have a notebook in each one of my project bags because I think of things, and when I'm working on specific patterns, I make a lot of changes sometimes, and I just like to keep notes when I'm working on stuff. So I've got a pen and a notebook. Nice. This is perfect. Thank you. Thank you so very much. These are so cute. These are so cute. I like that. I like that a lot. Awesome. Excellent. You did another excellent job, as always. As always. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. Great notebook. Cannot ever have enough notebooks. And amazing. I'm gonna find something fun to do with that. These are going right into my project pouches. And these are going right into my tummy. Thank you so much, Amber. You did a great job again. And I hope you're having as much fun on your end as I'm having on my end. We will see you guys next week for the very last one of our Christmas in July, March Madness box gift exchange. See you later. Bye-bye.